Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'll show you exactly how to add a cookie banner to your Squarespace website, so visitors see a clear disclosure and can easily manage their data preferences. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking cookie banner set up, helping you build trust with your audience and stay compliant with privacy regulations. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're on your dashboard, look in the left sidebar and click the Settings option. This is really the control center for your website, where all the important features and details live. If you're having trouble finding it, just remember, it's usually near the bottom of the menu, represented by a little gear icon. Take your time, no rush here. With Settings open, you'll see a bunch of categories listed. Scroll down until you find something that says Cookies and Data Privacy. Depending on your Squarespace version, the wording might be slightly different. Sometimes just data privacy, but you're looking for the section that deals with cookies and disclosure. This is important because this is where you're able to control how visitors consent to cookies, which are tiny files stored on their devices to personalize and analyze their experience. Go ahead and select Cookies and Data Privacy. Now, you should see the option to enable the cookie banner. What happens when you turn this on? Well, this little pop-up will appear for anyone landing on your website, alerting them that your site uses cookies and giving them a choice about what they want to allow. Enabling this is not only best practice for transparency, it's actually required by privacy laws in lots of regions, including the European Union. So don't skip this step. Just below this, there's a crucial setting I recommend. Enable Decline All button. By default, Squarespace's cookie banner might just have Accept or Read More, but enabling Decline All gives your visitors a real choice. This is a small thing, but it can make a big difference when it comes to trust. Imagine you're a visitor and you see a site that lets you totally opt out versus a site that only lets you say yes. That option makes your site look more transparent and considerate. Go ahead and toggle Enable Decline All button. If at any point you're unsure, hover over any question marks or info icons for a tip, or just experiment. Squarespace won't save changes until you're ready, so you're safe. Now, before you leave, take a moment to review your settings and make sure everything is as you want it. This moment might feel a little anticlimactic, but it's important. Once you're sure, hit Save in the upper right or bottom corner of the page, and that's it. You did it. You can visit your site's homepage or open it in a private window to double-check the banner displays for new visitors. Adding a cookie banner only takes a few clicks, but it goes a long way in protecting your users and your website. Even if your site is just a portfolio or a small blog, that little banner shows you care about your visitors' privacy, and it leaves a great impression. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want help troubleshooting. Subscribe to our channel for more easy Squarespace tutorials and website tips. Your next great upgrade is just one click away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.